Welcome back here to AI Hospitality Insights. I'm your host, Autumn, and the hospitality industry, a timeless testament to human connections and care, is undergoing a renaissance. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic whisper. It is a tangible force reshaping the customer experience in profound ways. This is not about replacing the human touch, but about amplifying it. AI is ushering in a new era where technology empowers hoteliers to deliver unparalleled personalizations, efficiency, and ultimately deeper connections with their customers. We are now at the dawn where we can look at the hotel that not only anticipate your needs but understand your unspoken desires. A hotel that teaches your rhythms, your preferences, and even your moods, crafting a stay that feels uniquely tailored to you. This is the promise of AI in hospitality. By harnessing the power of data analysis and machine learning, AI can paint a vivid picture of each customer, enabling hotels to curate experiences that resonate on a personalized level. We can focus on hyper personalized rooms. Gone are the days of generic room settings. AI powered smart rooms becomes an extension of the customers themselves. Imagine a room that automatically adjusts the lighting to match your energy level. Place your favorite music genre upon entry and even knows your preferred sleep temperature. Voice assistants become intuitive companions for your hotel, anticipating requests and offering personalized recommendations for dining, activities, and local experiences, which is key. And then we can implement more proactive services where AI empowers the hotels to move beyond reactive service to a proactive approach. Now, imagine a scenario where a customer flight is delayed. The hotel is informed through AI powered travel updates, proactively adjusting check in times, arranging for late night dining options, and even prepares a personalized welcome amenity to acknowledge the travel disruption. Now, this is another type of level of service that we want to implement with the help of AI and creative employees. And then we have another aspect, which is more emotional concierge. AI can analyze facial expressions, voice tones, and even social media sentiment to gauge customer emotions. This allows your staff to tailor their interactions accordingly, offering a sympathetic air, a celebratory gesture, or simply a warm smile at just the right moment. This is taking hospitality to a whole new level, my friends. Now, my friends, while AI without doubt streamlines operations and boosts efficiency, its true power lies in freeing human staff to focus on what they do best, creating genuine connections with your customers. This is about the art of anticipation. By automating routine tasks like check in, room service orders, and concierge requests. AI will now allow your staff to focus on anticipating the customer needs before they are even voiced. Now, they will do this with the help of AI. This creates opportunities for more hyper personalized gestures, thoughtful surprises, and the kind of anticipatory service that foster lasting loyalty with the customer. And your employees now becomes curators of the experience, where your hotel staff will evolve from service providers to experience curators, armed with AI powered insights into the customer preferences. They can design bespoke itineraries, recommend hidden gems, and orchestrate unforgettable moments that resonate with any individual that they have coming to the hotel. And one part that's really important now that we can focus on or we help the employees with is empathy and emotional intelligence. With the help of AI, we can now analyze customer data to identify patterns and preferences. But all in all, it is the human touch that adds empathy and emotional intelligence to the equation. And your staff can use the insights it gets with help from the AI and the tools they have available to connect with the customer on a much deeper level to offer a genuine care and creating a sense of belonging for everyone. Now, the future of hospitality is not about robots replacing humans. It is about humans and machines working in harmony to create an orchestra of exceptional experiences. And to create this type of experience, we have to focus on first AI powered training. AI can be used to train your staff on cultural nuances, language skills, and personalized service techniques, which empowers them to cater to a diverse and global clientele. In addition, they can also help them with augmented creativity, where AI can assist in designing unique hotel spaces, generating more innovative marketing campaigns, and even crafting personalized in room experiences that blend technology and art. And another important aspect is about data driven sustainability. AI can help your team with analyze energy consumption patterns, which helps you optimize resource allocations and promote eco-friendly practices, which again allow your hotel to minimize your environmental footprint while enhancing your customers' comfort. Are you ready to embrace and become part of this new hospitality renaissance and redefine the art of hospitality? Now, let's collaborate to unlock the transformative power of AI, crafting hotels that are not just smart but deeply human, where technology amplifies empathy and every customer feels truly seen and understood. So let's connect and explore how we can work together to shape the future of hospitality by weaving together AI with the irreplaceable human touch. We can create a new golden age for the hospitality industry, one where technology empowers us to connect with the customers on a deeper level and create truly unforgettable experiences. Now, to help you, I will offer you a 60-minute free AI consultation, no strings attached. So you will find a link in the descriptions below this video. And I will thank you all for watching here. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your team. And if you have any comments, any feedback, any suggestion, any topics you want me to address, don't hesitate to reach out to me and let me know. And I will see you back here again for more innovative AI hospitality insights.